Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a car to rent in the Avianca application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Discover button at the bottom of the page. And then look for the Hotels, Cars and More section and click on that. And then scroll down a bit and look for the rentalcars.com section and click on the Book Now button. So first you have to set the pickup location. It can be like an airport or any other place, and then you can tick if you want to find a different location when you return, or it can be the same. And then you have to set the pickup and then the drop-off date as well. You have to specify it even further. So then you can tick if you want the driver to be the age between 30 or 65. And then just click on the search button. And it usually takes a couple of seconds, but here are the available cars for those parameters that you set. So now you can just browse through it and find the one that is the most optimal for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.